Before you sprint into Walmart like it's the Super Bowl of shopping, slow down for a sec. Those giant 80% off signs, they're just banks whispering, "Go on, swipe that plastic. Daddy needs a new yacht." Let's talk about Black Friday spending rules nobody actually follows. And if you do, your wallet might finally stop crying for help. Rule number 1. If you didn't want it yesterday, you don't magically need it today. Bro, be honest, you haven't thought about buying a blender in 5 years. But the moment you see that sale tag, your brain decides, I'm going to become a smoothie influencer. No, you're not. That thing is going to sit there like a dusty trophy, right next to your overpriced air fryer diet phase. If sale is the only reason, it's not a reason. Rule number 2. The discount is probably fake. Stores raise prices in October, then act like they're doing charity in November. We're practically giving it away. No, you're not. Also, those shady countdown timers, they reset every time you blink. And only 2 left is the biggest lie of the season. There are 200 inches the back, Janet. Rule number 3. Swipe your card with a plan. Credit cards are great until they become tiny debt grenades. You buy headphones you'll lose, shoes that hurt 5 minutes in, and some massage gun you'll use twice. Then boom, next month, the bill jumps out like a horror movie villain. Hey buddy, remember me? Interest rates do not care that it was a Black Friday vibe. Rule number 4. Reviews over discounts. Black Friday makes you trust the sketchiest products on earth. Quantum Ultra Hyper Mega 9D TV for $99. The only review says, it exploded, kinda. But you're like, still a deal. No, you just paid good money for a fire hazard with Bluetooth. Don't do it. Rule number 5. Think about future you. Present you. Treat yourself. Future you. Why am I eating ramen again? Ask yourself this. Will I actually love this next month? Or is dopamine driving the car today and heading straight for a financial crash? Now, to help you survive the chaos, here are the mind tricks stores use on you every single year. Mind trick 1. Countdown panic. Sale ends in 3, 2, relax. That timer will magically restart. It's a glorified jump scare. Mind trick 2. Free shipping bait. You're only $7 away from free shipping. And suddenly you're buying $200 worth of socks, confetti, and a glittery toaster you'll hate. Yeah, you saved $7. Einstein would be thrilled. Mind trick 3. Doorbuster hype. People camping outside at 3 a.m. for a toaster? Bestie, frostbite is not worth $12 off. Keep your toes in your dignity. Mind trick 4. Stock fear. Limited. Sure, limited to the giant warehouse full of them. Scarcity makes your brain go feral. Now, real talk here are actual hacks that protect your money. Hack 1. Screenshot your cart, sleep on it, check it tomorrow. If you still want it, buy it. If not, impulse controlled, wallet saved. Hack 2. Stick to your list. If it's not on the list, it does not go in the cart. Your list is your bodyguard against chaos brain. Hack 3. Use one card. Rewards? Great. Mystery debt? Not great. Keep it simple. Hack 4. Compare prices. If store A says 60% off, store B might say 80%. Detective mode activated. Hack 5. Track your total in real time, because $10 plus $20 plus $15 turns into, how did I just spend $600? Real fast. Here's the bottom line. Black Friday is supposed to save money, not murder it. Destroy the prices, not your bank account. Be the shopper banks fear not their favorite little swipe machine. Shop smart, shop slow. And if you must splurge, at least do it on something that won't end up in a giveaway box by New Year's. Like the video. Save your wallet's life. And hey, stay dangerous, but financially responsible.